Our Computex 2019 coverage is made possible thanks to Corsair, Patriot, EK, Typtra and Viper Gaming. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com. We're here at Computex 2019 checking out what Nzxt have to offer. And as we know, some of their chassis last year were probably some of the best selling chassis on the market, and they still actually are with the H series. So as you may remember, they had like the H700, H700i. They've just kind of taken it one step further. So now we've got the H510 So they fixed, well not fixed, but improved a few things here and there, and basically just, brought a few little added extras to market. So now we have USB Type-C Gen 2, just to sort of, give you that extra connectivity. They've also changed the RGB channels on here. So instead of just having one channel, you now have two. So you don't have to go out and sort of, buy unnecessary hubs if you end up buying this model. Moving down sort of the stack and everything, there are a few different new models. So we have the H510i, obviously there will be a 510, as well as the i version, which obviously has all the smart controller and everything for controlling your lighting, your fans, and that kind of stuff. Moving on from that, there is the H510 Elite. Now the difference with this one is that you do get tempered glass on the front of it, and it does include two Nzxt Air 2 or Air RGB 2 fans in the front of it. So yeah, you will notice that the tempered glass is slightly smoked as well, just to give you, that nice lighting effect, and still kind of hiding everything that I guess you don't want to see, but letting the RGB lighting really shine through. And then for those wanting something a little bit more kind of small form factor, we have the H210 and 210i, depending on if you want the smart version or non-smart version, just like we saw with the existing H series. Now, if we just go over here, you will see that they actually have the H10 Elite built up. This is the white version, so you can see what I mean about sort of the tempered glass in the front and kind of, how it looks with that smoke look, but still allowing, plenty of light in from the addressable RGB fans. Now, obviously with this, they have kind of improved the software as well. So we have the kind of beta version of Nzxt Cam. So you can actually download this at the moment yourself and have a little play around with it. It will work with all existing sort of Nzxt smart products. But yeah, they're just trying to, find improvements, tweaks, and bringing more features to the market. The other things that they are obviously showing is the full kind of spectrum range of what we've got out on the market today. So we've got the Air RGB 2 fans. We've got the Hue 2 lighting kit. You may remember we did a video on that, so it's definitely worth checking that out. We will link to that in the description below. You've got the Kraken series, so probably one of my favorite AIOs out on the market. I think they look absolutely amazing, especially with the RGB lighting actually on the CPU block. And then obviously the E series of power supplies, so clean, stable, reliable power, while looking really nice and being fairly silent as well. So yeah, lots of stuff sort of coming from Nzxt. I'm a big fan of the H series chassis, especially sort of on the smaller scale. So the H210 I think is going to be a really nice one, but I think most people are probably going to want to go for the H510 Elite. I think that's going to be a really, really good seller. Hopefully we're going to see these in the market very, very soon, and as you know with Nzxt, the pricing should be really, really good considering what you actually get for your money. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do, and we will have a lot more coverage from Computex 2019, so be sure to check that out. See you later guys, bye bye.